Salut ma gueule.
Good morning, beautiful people. It's another beautiful day here in Tanzania. I am actually in Dar es Salaam. Today, we are going to see this beautiful market in Dar es Salaam. Yo, these guys have been bluffing. They've been making noise about this beautiful market. I just can't wait to see it. I saw pictures of it on the internet and it looks beautiful from above. We want to go inside this market and see what they have there. These guys are telling me, Tanzanians are telling me it is the biggest, the largest, and the busiest indoor market. The baddest indoor market here in Dar es Salaam. So I can't just wait to go and see it. My brother here is going to show me around. His name is Mo. Mo, are you ready for this?
Yeah,
are you ready for this?
Yeah, man.
So Mo is going to show me the biggest, largest, busiest and baddest market in Dar es Salaam. In fact, in East Africa.
Yeah.
I can't just wait. He's like, do you know KJT market in Ghana? Have you heard of KJT market?
No.
It's the biggest market in the whole Africa.
Sure? No.
Just wait for it.
We have the biggest market.
We
have the biggest market in Tanzania, which
in
is
East
all
Africa.
of Africa.
No, it's only East Africa. This one is for the whole Africa. It's called KJT market.
We have Kariako.
Show me Kariako. What do you have in Kariako?
Okay, Kariako is a very busy marketing, very big, the largest market in East Africa. Very nice, exclusive, very nice, man. I can't wait to see the market, man.
I can't wait to
It's very nice, man.
I think we have some names in common. Kariako starts with K, right?
Yep.
And KJT starts with K.
Yeah.
Let's see which one will be big.
Yeah,
so
sure.
Kumasi people, let's see. People from Ghana, I'm here to represent you with KJT market.
Sure.
Let's go and see how big it is. So let's go and see how large it is. And they said it's the busiest too. Let's go and see it.
It's gonna be amazing.
So what
man.
do they have in the market actually?
Actually, in the market, we have local people who sell veggies, fruits, but also we have people who have wholesale shops. Yeah, they have same products which are imported from maybe China and other countries. So it's a very big, man.
So I can literally get everything there.
Everything, man.
Technically, even human hair.
Everything, man.
So I can't wait to get there, bro.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get there. You guys are making noise about this market. How do we get there? Do we use Galagala? Do we use Uber? Do we use how do you call tuk-tuk? That small mini bike.
Bajaji.
Bajaji.
Yeah.
So do we use tuk-tuk?
Yeah.
Bajaji?
Yeah.
Do we use Galagala or do we use Uber or taxi?
Okay. Right now, today is Monday, right? It's a weekday.
Yes.
So the road is very busy, man.
All right.
So it's better get a quick transport to the market.
Yes, that's
better
what I
take
want.
The Bajaji.
Bajaji.
Yeah, Bajaji is more
yes.
nice, man.
Let's go with
Yeah.
Bajaji. Let's support the local people. So
Yeah,
Bajaji
man.
will be the best to go with.
Sure,
So
sure.
come with us. Let's
Move, man.
No.
Let's go.
Yeah. So come with me. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Yeah. So this is how the Bajaji looks like.
Yeah.
It's a tuk-tuk. I didn't know it was this. So guys, it was ordered from Uber, and this is how it looks like.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, man.
No, it wasn't Uber. It's Bolt.
Both.
It's Bolt. So you can get this from Bolt in Tanzania. So come with us. Let's go. Let's go and have some ride. So it costs 4,000 for the Bajaji, and 4,000, I don't know how much in dollars. Just do your calculation, do your math, and let it know. Yes. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, there are some nice people out here. 3,000. Oh,
that's cool. No, that's 3,000.
3,000. 1,000. 500. Sorry. One more time. Wow. Guys, this guy be bragging that this is the biggest market. No, I told you guys that KJTR is the biggest market. I can walk from one end to the other end of this market. This market is too small. This one is too small, bro.
Yeah, sure.
It's too small.
It's big, man.
I can't know. Like, yo, we won. Ghana won. Ghana won.
This place here is where they sell all agricultural stuffs. The seeds, if you have all kind of, you need all kinds of seeds you find here. If you need all agricultural accessory equipment, the generators, the pipes, you find them here. Yeah.
So we are in the first floor of the market, and it's full of agricultural equipment and machines here. So my friend Mo is still taking us around, and I still doubt this is not the biggest market in East Africa. Yes, but it's on the internet that is the biggest, so I really believe it. But it's not bigger than what I told you. So let's just go to how many floors?
Only 2 floors.
Only 2 floors. Okay, all right, that's good. That's good. Yeah, the one I'm talking about is 4 floors, and it's crazy. I'll show you the video. All right, let's go for another section of the market. So I love the architecture. The inside is so beautiful. So many people out here. It's really nice. So this is the vegetable zone. So nice. Yeah, but yo, it looks nice. It looks nice, but it's the one we have is really modern. The one we have is really modern. Yeah. Yes. So this is good, but it looks old.
Yeah.
Yeah, very old. This is like around 1913 when I read from the internet. Yeah. So yeah, but all the same, it's nice. It's beautiful. You have to be in front of me.
You have to?
I said you have to be in front of me because I don't know the road.
Okay, fine.
If you say Africans are hungry again, I'll come and attack you. I'll come and attack you. Yo, the number of food I'm seeing right here is a lot of food. Like, there is a lot of food right here. Enough to survive. Look, this is pineapple, this is watermelon, this is banana. See the like just look at where it starts from. Look at where it starts from. Look at where it starts from. Yo guys, look at it.
What is it?
So sweet. What's the name?
Swahili.
Yeah. This one?
Same.
What do they use to make the color?
This is food color.
So they added food color and they call it what? Ubolu.
Yeah, boyo.
Oboyu or Ubolu? Oboyu. Yeah, it's so sweet, like full of sugar. It's not good for you. It's for the kids. Alright. Take it. What's it?